I just wanted to let you know that I am in the process of putting a top secret new algorithmic trading system through its paces right now. Quite some time ago, a person who was enrolled in the premium course got in touch with me and provided me with a link to a video that demonstrated a method that appeared to have a lot of potential. According to his point of view, the success of the system can be attributed to the entry signal that was implemented. If you have been a premium member of the MQL4 course, you may have overheard me remark that I do not feel that the entry signal will make or break a good system. Well, let me tell you why I don't believe that. In point of fact, based on all of the expertise that I have accumulated over the course of the past 10 years, it is more about what occurs after you open a position. If you keep a close eye on the results of the current test, you will probably notice that the equity is usually very close to the balance. This indicates that you have the option of either increasing the size of your position sizes or reducing the amount of risk you take while maintaining the same amount of trading capital. I want to avoid taking unnecessary risks, and I am aware that many people continue to believe that simply because a system is automated, it automatically possesses the ability to predict the future. But in reality, it has more to do with mathematics than with magic. You can't make sound choices if you only look at a small sample size, since there are certain odds that something will occur, and you've only got a few trades to rely on. As a result, I conduct thousands upon thousands of these. I always try to keep it up for at least a year, and the majority of the time I focus on doing it from January to December. I will provide a link to my other channel, which is dedicated to those tests, at the outro of this video. But I also wanted to show you the most up-to-date results for the brand new top secret algorithm trading method, which is going to be made available very soon. If you examine the data, you will notice that it continues to perform well up to the present day. This is something that I consider to be encouraging because it demonstrates that there is still room for improvement. However, there is still some work to be done before the system is ready for public use, and since I must perform these backtests anyway, I will upload a few more of these videos in order to demonstrate the system's present performance. Where do you stand? Do you still have testing to do? How do you plan to boost the results of your own trading endeavors? If you have any questions or recommendations about this video, just drop me an email. I will always respond to it myself, and the vast majority of the time within the span of a day. I appreciate you taking the time to view